Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into it today, looking at the Bitcoin charts. Nothing really exciting happening as we see here. Not a ton of excitement, but there is a head and shoulders pattern forming. A ton of FOMO in this candle right here that we see. A ton of FOMO. It's October, as I talked about yesterday. Historically, crypto, aka Bitcoin, does fairly well on these days, and these days within October. So, like I've been saying, guys, we're waiting on a head and shoulders. So despite, what is happening, despite, the fluff, we are waiting for this head and shoulders pattern to appear and to break 25,000. That's what we're waiting for, no matter what month it is. The technicals don't lie, and this is what we see. This is exactly what we see. And so we can only make comment on what we're seeing and then see if, our analysis is correct. So this is what we see right now. This is what we're waiting for. And if and when that does happen, as we think, because this is a high probability setup, we do believe that we could, eventually capitalize on the downside, which means accumulating at lower levels. And that's kind of what we've been doing. So diving into some news here real quick, Ethereum passes 10 billion in revenue in just 7 years. Why is this significant, guys? This is significant because this is more rapid than any other, company around. This milestone is passed by Google. It took Google well over 7 years to pass 10 billion. Ethereum's already there. Okay. Ethereum reaches 10 billion. And, this is revealed by Token Terminal, which is the analysis platform. It only took them 7 years. And, 10 billion in revenue based on its spot ETH rates, overshadowing Google, overshadowing other companies like Facebook, overshadowing other companies like Microsoft. It's just faster. Okay. So, I think Alphabet got there, and what we can see here is it took Alphabet maybe, let me see here, revenue in billions. Looking like it took Microsoft approximately 19 years to reach this milestone that Ethereum reached in 7. That's powerful, guys. That's powerful. Okay. So you can kind of understand where this is going, and, you have an opportunity to be a part of it. It took Microsoft it took Microsoft 19 years. It took Adobe 20 years to do it. It's insane. It took Zoom 11 years to generate 10 billion in revenue, right? And really they got catapulted up through COVID because you were almost forced to use it. Okay, I shouldn't say the C word on here, but they got catapulted through COVID. It said Zoom gained popularity at the end of 2019 until 2022 because they were, companies preferred online meetings to continue their operations during the pandemic. The rise of Ethereum is partly due to its distinctiveness. Unlike Bitcoin, which introduced the first reliable functional transaction network, Ethereum is known for enabling the use of more complex protocols in various sectors, including finance, gaming, and arts. September 25th, Ethereum's cryptocurrency was trading at approximately 1570 with a market value of over 191 billion. So talking about the future of Ethereum, we got, guys, the future of Ethereum. And, already has an average transaction fee of 74 cents. I do believe that this will continue to diminish. And I do think that, we talk about, blockchains. I think there's going to be multiple winners, just like there's multiple winners within the internet, that capitalize on the internet. I think Ethereum is going to be a major player. And I think we're seeing that right now, really just confirming that what we already know. Going to the next, Honda takes a revolutionary step by accepting cryptocurrencies as payment. This is big. So Honda is one of the largest automotive companies Everyone knows Honda. Honda and payments with cryptocurrencies. They just announced this, that being able to finance, lease, or purchase your dream car through FCF Pay. They're accepting Bitcoin. They're accepting currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, XRP, Doge, Shiba, plus many more through this platform. So this is big, guys. This is going to be the way, and this is another confirmation that, you know, this is the direction that we are heading, with the ability to transact, the ability to, you know, become your own bank, the ability to really have borderless payments. So now you don't have to go into, you know, a Western Union. You don't have to go into your bank to send money, you know, to China. If you want to send $1,000 to China, you're able to do it instantly. I know, you know, here Clockwise Crypto and, you know, other companies, we transact globally. We're able to do it through cryptocurrencies with no questions asked, immediately. You know, people are receiving funds within seconds. So definitely a big thing here that's happening. But one thing that, you know, is, you know, when we talk about, you know, investing in crypto assets, we talk about why we're doing what we're doing and what we're trying to achieve. You know, we're in it for the long haul, guys. So when we talk about, you know, I know, you know, I get a lot of messages about, oh, you're talking about it dropping. It's going to drop. Guys, this is a part of the game. This is a part of the game. Do you have the discipline to be patient? Do you have the discipline to accumulate when everyone else is fearful? Do you have the discipline to, you know, analyze the technical analysis and be able to spot things like this where you can see, hey, look, this looks like a head and shoulders pattern forming. Okay. And, you know, you're able to see divergence. You're able to see, you know, if it didn't make a new low, you know, being able to analyze that, it all comes within your full analysis of these crypto markets, guys. So definitely glad that we're able to share this with you. This is stuff that we do day in and day out. And, you know, I'm excited and humbled to be along the journey with you. So taking a look at Ethereum pullback, same setup here. Hope you guys can see it with the black background. Same setup here. We're just waiting for this break. This is the break we're waiting for. I want to see a break below here to head down. That's what I want to see, wherever that's at. It can be here, it could be from up here. This is a weekly time frame, so it's likely to take a while, but this is what we want to see. This is what we're waiting for, despite what everyone else is saying. The same thing holds true for Ethereum, or sorry, Bitcoin. You know, not the same setup, but, you know, fairly similar. You know, we want to see a break below 25K. That's what we're waiting for. When that happens, it's going to be people are going to get scared out of the market, and we are going to see massive sell-offs, massive amounts of fear in the market as we continue to make new lows. So that's what we're waiting for. You know, this year, I believe it's going to happen this year. So, you know, just wanted to go over some news, guys. Wanted to go over what we're looking at and why we're looking at it. You guys see our technical analysis. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me. You know, me or my team, we get back fairly quickly. And, you know, feel free to leave a drop in the comments or some like buttons if you agree. Even, you know, dislike buttons if you don't. But leave your comment. Let us know what you think. And I hope you got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. And we'll see you soon.